What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, Jeep has replaced their CEO again. Not like that's going to fix the issues with the Jeeps, but let's talk about it. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And Jeep has replaced their CEO with Brad Broderoff, or whatever. I'm probably butchering that dude's name. And they're moving the existing CEO over to head of dealer networks. Look, the executive situation at Stellantis right now is an out-and-out disaster. One, they can't keep any executives. People just don't stay. They're there for a year, 18 months. They see how much of a shit show that it is, and then they leave, okay? That's one. Two, this new CEO is not going to randomly snap his fingers and fix everything overnight. I mean, Tim Kuniskis had to see this firsthand. And you'll probably see the same thing with this CEO, that he's going to want to do things at Jeep that Carlos Tavares is going to say no. See, Carlos Tavares is literally one of those super hands-on type of CEOs, right? The type of CEO that doesn't trust their management team. And that's just a fact. I mean, if he trusted his management team, he would let the CEOs at his different brands do different things. But that's just not the case. So what does that mean for Jeep? Well, right now they're having so many problems with the Hurricane engine that they literally have Grand Wagoneers sitting on lots waiting to be lemon lawed. Understand that, right? Dealers that took delivery of Grand Wagoneers, not just them, also Ram 1500s with the Hurricanes that they won't start, they won't turn on, they can't get them to run, can't figure it out, have gone to the extensive thing of taking the entire body off the frame, replace the wiring harness, still won't start. There are so many dealers that have had issues with these 2025s and 2024 Grand Wagoneers, 2025 Rams, that I don't see. And that's the other thing too. This CEO comes from Ram. He worked at Ram for a while, worked with Dodge for a little bit, worked with Ram, and now you're going to make him like I like to call the executives at Stellantis the scapegoats, right? The executives at Stellantis are the fall guys, so to speak. I know you're going to say that's kind of messed up, TK, but it's true. They're literally the guys to take the blame, right? And here's what Carlos Tavares is going to do. He's going to come out and say that we made some changes at Jeep to address these issues, yada, yada, yada. Myself and our chairman, John Elkin, came over here and we identified some things that we think we have now addressed. And you've literally just played musical chairs with executives. You haven't changed a damn thing. You're literally just biding your time. You're literally just trying to get a little bit more time to try to implement your plan that's massively failing. I don't know. You know, some people would say, TK, man, you need to be optimistic. You never know. Maybe this guy will turn it around. The only way he's going to have the ability, just for you guys, the detractors, to turn it around, the only way he gets the ability to turn it around is if Carlos Tavares gets his head out of his friggin' ass and lets his executives manage and run the companies. That's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.